Hello everybody! So it's going to be another short video today. I decided to take you to Odaiba, which is one of my favorite places to visit, especially when I have a kind of a blue day. When I first came to Japan a long time ago, I used to get depressed a lot because I didn't have any friends. No matter how sad or depressed I was, I always felt better. I always felt so much happier after a visit to Odaiba. So hope you enjoy my very special place in Tokyo.